Hi there, it's Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to hit the subscribe button because I want to see you here again. If you tap the bell, you'll get a notification every single time I upload a video. And I upload videos all about clothing. So if you enjoy clothing reviews, you have come to the right place. Today, I have a Nadine West bag for you. Nadine West is a clothing subscription service, and they send clothing, they send jewelry, they send accessories, and they boast affordable fashion, and their price points are very, very low, lower than any of the other sub boxes that I currently use. And there is a shipping charge of $9.78, and you go to the website and take a very short style profile quiz, and then they send you a bunch of stuff, and there's a shipping cost of $9.78, and that is deducted from any purchase that you make out of this little pink bag. But let me be honest with you, I receive my Nadine West shipments twice a month, and the reason I do that is because they don't charge me anything to review their clothing. They send me the packages risk-free. I no longer have to pay the $9.78, and on occasion I get some really cool stuff from Nadine West. There's a lot of funky stuff inside of this bag, and I've never kept a complete bag on purpose. I forgot to send one back. You have 10 days, and I forgot once to send it back, and I had to pay $142 to keep the entire bag. So it did not break the bank even when I was forgetful. So that's kind of how it works with Nadine West. You ship everything back in the same pink envelope, but they do enclose a mailing label in this bag, so they make it very, very easy for return. So let's get into this bag and see what they have sent me. Okay, inside our bag, we have the return mailer and the prices, which I will look at in a minute. And whoa, everything is normally wrapped in plastic. This one is not wrapped in plastic. We just have our little pink bundle with a little Nadine West sticker, and that's what the bundle looks like. And it doesn't look very bright. It looks like we have a lot of solid colors in here this time. And I left very detailed feedback after my last Nadine West. I didn't keep a thing after my last bag. So you can look at that video. I'll leave that. Okay. This is Misla. We have a blue tunic top with that keyhole detail in the front and little metal detail. And I have a blue tunic that I received from Nadine West, same color, almost the same cut. We don't have the detail in the front. I have two jewelry bags. I'll get into those last. Let's look at the clothing first. Next we have, okay, this is two different colors. This is by Zanana Outfitters. This looks a lot more promising. This is just a little t-shirt. It feels like a cotton blend, very soft, short sleeve, like a baseball tee. So this one looks good. It's kind of long. I don't wear leggings in the summer. It's too hot where I live, but that might be promising. Another navy blue top. This one is by Heart and Hips, and okay, this is a cold shoulder. Now this is starting to look a little bit better, and this is just a plain navy blue cold shoulder top with a bit of a flowy bottom there. This one looks promising to me. Although it's dark, it looks better. And then the last thing we have is in an olive green, and oh, this looks like a tunic length top by Zanana Republic. I like the detail in the neck, but I don't wear tunics. I think I told them that. Maybe they didn't get the memo. I don't know. And there are actually three bags of jewelry. So let's open the first one. This looks like a necklace. What do we have here? Oh, look! We have a tassel detail. This is in silver tones, which that's kind of nice. And it's a bit of a hammer detail there. That's what this one looks like. That is very cool. Oh, I'm happy to have this. Hope I can afford this. That's so cute. Yay, good job, Nadine West. Okay, these are some earrings, and I can tell you already that I like these earrings. I have something very similar. They're just a bar that hangs down, a silver bar, and I like these. I told you I have something similar, and the ones I have are tarnishing, so these might be very nice to have. Very simple, but something that I like. And then we have, are these earrings? They're very big earrings. Okay, now there are two of these. They're very large. That is what they look like. Do they look like Brighton? I don't know. I don't know how those are going to look on. Well, I guess you can't see with my leaves, but they have some bling in them, and they just kind of look like flowers and vines with some rhinestones in them. So the jewelry looks very promising this time. This is the navy tunic with this keyhole detail, and there's the little gold hardware there. So it doesn't really match with this necklace, although, I mean, it's a great way to show you the necklace because of this solid colored blouse. I just love the necklace. I don't know about the top. And another thing that confuses me, I'm looking at the prices, and we have two navy tops. You saw that when I unboxed this bag. And one of them is called the Jordan. It's in navy. It's $18.49. The other one is called Rose to the Occasion in navy. It's $33.49. So the other one I think I might keep. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. This is a nice top. And like I said, I don't want to confuse you, but I want to try on for you real quick the other navy tunic that I purchased from Nadine West. This is the navy tunic that I purchased from Nadine West several months ago, and I haven't worn it because it's just too warm to wear, but it has the button detail down the side. It doesn't have any detail on the neckline, but I like this one a whole lot. And I like the simplicity of it. Now, the silver necklace looks great without that gold clashing, doesn't it? So, the tunics look an awful lot alike to me. I'm not sure why they have sent me two navy blue tunics with 3/4 length sleeves in a 6-month time span. But they did. Navy item that Nadine West sent me is this navy tee, the cold shoulder tee. This feels amazing. This is by Heart and Hips. It is a knit, really super soft t-shirt fabric, and this is what it looks like. And it's not too short. This is the perfect summer tee. I have to admit, I love navy blue. I really prefer lighter colors in the summertime, but I will definitely wear this. This is really easy to wear. So what do you think it is? Is this the Jordan navy for $18.49, or is this the Rose to the Occasion in navy for $33.49? Now for this tee, I would pay $18.49. I'm guessing because it has a shorter sleeve, it's the $18 product, but I don't know. And I'm asking for your opinion because there's nothing to specify which item is which. So I really like this, and I am wearing the bar earrings. So I don't know if you can get a good look at that. I am going to put some pictures of the jewelry, some stills in the end of the video so you can see, because I think the jewelry is really great this time. Doesn't this look nice? This necklace against a solid color tank. Liking this one. Okay, the baseball tee. This is called Infield. This is $22.99, and it's long. Check it out. I think it's a little bit too long. Wouldn't it be great if it was this length? And I actually would prefer a little bit longer sleeve for this style shirt, but this shirt feels very nice. Again, it's a nice fabric, very soft. I feel like it's a little clingy on me, and at the tunic length, I think it looks awful. I don't know. What do you think about this one? Yeah, it's not really doing much for me. Let me show you these earrings. These are the vines and flowers with the bling on them, and I think they look kind of pretty. The last top is the Regina top in olive, and this top is $24.49, and since I don't like tunic tops, I thought I would tuck it in and see what I think. I love the way it looks now, except I have a lot of blouse tucked into my shorts, but what do you think of it like this? This top is tunic length. So I'll show you what it looks like, and I do think it's a color and style that could be worn into the fall, and this can probably be worn in the summer with skinny jeans, or like I had it tucked. I wonder if I tied it. This might be one that I could do my own little tie, and let's see, what do you think about that? Because I love this detail. I think it's just adorable. And sometimes I think they do a really good job with this cross detail, and sometimes I think it looks a little funky, but I'm kind of liking this one now that I have it on. I don't know, but this, the way it's designed to be worn, I would never wear it like this. I just can't see myself wearing it like this in the summer. Like a goofball, I'm wearing one of each earring. Love these. These are going to stay with me, price dependent. So I'll tell you about the prices of the jewelry. These dangling spears are $11.99, and I think that is a fair price for these earrings. And the grapevine in silver, these earrings are $12.99, and these feel like a really nice earring. Again, I'll put stills at the end of the video so you can get a better look. The necklace is $24.99. I think this necklace is beautiful, and I think it's comparable to any necklace that I could buy at, say, Target. So it's here. It has tassels. This is a wonderful tassel necklace that I will have a lot of fun wearing. So these are the only ones that I'm a little bit iffy about. The bars and the necklace, yeah, they work. So I told you the prices on everything. The blue tunic is going back. I don't need it. The only top that I'm really wild about is the cold shoulder top. The question with this one is it worth $33.49? I have a feeling this is the $18 top, but it could be wrong. So would you pay $33 for this and just kind of gamble on it? I don't know. I'm kind of inclined to do that. Let me know if you thought the one that I'm wearing or the other two are worth purchasing. I have a few days to sleep on this and give it some thought. Let me know what you think about the jewelry. And if you want to try Nadine West for yourself, I have a coupon code in the description box below. All the information that you need to know to try Nadine West. And I don't get anything in return, but you might enjoy trying it. If you do, please let me know how it works out for you. Please give this video a thumbs up and look for my next video coming out in just 2 days. It will be all about clothing. I look forward to seeing you then. Until we meet again, blessings to you.